Hi everyone. Digital marketing has transformed the way businesses operate in this digital age. It's no longer just an option, it's a necessity. So let me give you a few compelling reasons why learning digital marketing as a skill is a game changer. With the increasing demand of digital marketing professionals, learning these skills open up a wide range of career opportunities. From working with the established companies, starting up your own venture, the possibilities are endless. Traditional marketing method can be expensive and limited in their reach. Digital marketing, on the other hand, offers cost-effective strategies that can reach a vast audience. You can target specific demographics, track results in real time, and adjust your strategies accordingly, ensuring maximum return on investment. In today's data-driven world, the ability to analyze and interpret digital marketing data is invaluable. Learning digital marketing equips you with the skills to collect, analyze, and leverage data to make informed business discussions. You'll have insights with consumer behavior, market trends, and effectiveness of your marketing campaigns. Digital marketing allows you to create and enhance your brand presence across various platforms. Through social media, content marketing, and search engine optimization, you can connect with your target audience, build relationships, and establish your brand as an industry authority. The digital landscape is ever evolving, and staying ahead requires constant learning and adaptability. You will be equipped to embrace new technologies, trends, and platforms as they emerge. This flexibility ensures that you remain relevant and competitive in the market. So there you have it. Learning digital marketing is not just a skill, it's a necessity in today's competitive market. Whether you are a business professional, an entrepreneur, or someone looking to switch options, digital marketing opens up a world of possibilities. Embrace this powerful tool and you will find yourself at the forefront of the digital revolution.